In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have different layouts on Squarespace. Imagine you've created a website on Squarespace and now you're looking to freshen it up, give it a new vibe, or perhaps your content strategy has evolved and you need your site's layout to reflect these changes. Well, you're in the perfect place. Squarespace's flexibility allows you to switch up your site's appearance with just a few clicks, and I'm here to walk you through every step of the way. First things first, head over to Squarespace's homepage. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Since many of us use various services from Google, Squarespace makes it convenient by offering a Continue with Google option for logging in. So let's use that. Clicking Continue with Google will bring up a list of Google accounts you've used on your device. Select the account you want to use for Squarespace, ideally the one you have your Squarespace site linked to. It's all about simplifying the process here. Once you're logged in, navigating to your Squarespace website is your next step. You can do this by visiting your account dashboard where you'll find all the websites you manage. Select the website you want to work on. Squarespace has a very user-friendly interface, so you should see your site's name clearly listed. Now here's where the magic happens. Within your site dashboard, look for the Style option. This is your gateway to customizing your site's appearance, including its layout. Clicking on Style will take you deeper into the customization options. Within the style settings, your next stop is the Themes section. Themes in Squarespace come packed with different styles, fonts, and layouts. It's basically a preset package of design elements that work together to give your site a specific look and feel. Take your time to browse through the available themes. Preview them if you can, see how they resonate with your content and what they would look like with your images and text. Once you find a theme that captures what you're looking for, it could be minimalist, bold, artistic, you name it, go ahead and select that theme. The final step is crucial, saving your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to apply your new theme. Voila, you've successfully updated your Squarespace site with a different layout. Just a couple of things before you go off to explore. Remember that changing themes and layouts can significantly alter how your content is presented. It's always a good idea to preview changes and ensure that they align with your vision and goals for the site. And of course, Squarespace saves your previous settings, so if you change your mind, you can always revert to your old layout. That's all for now. I hope this guide helps you revitalize your Squarespace site with a fresh, new layout that captivates your audience. Happy designing!